Right now, the GTA is one of the most favorable markets for first-time buyers we have seen in almost a decade. Prices are down, inventory is up, and you, the first-time buyer, actually have the negotiation power. But here's the problem. I keep seeing first-time buyers
Oh,
make the same mistake again and again,
uh-oh.
and it actually costs them thousands of dollars, or even worse, it costs them the deal entirely. And today, I want to protect you from that. In this video, I'm going to highlight the top 5 common mistakes first-time buyers are making right now in the GTA, and exactly how to avoid these mistakes. Before I get into the list, just a little context. As of March 2026, the average home price in the GTA just above $1 million. Prices are down almost 7%, and there are over 21,000 active listings on the market right now. That's a lot of choices. And homes are sitting on the market longer than they have in years. This is your window, but a window only helps you if you know how to open it. So let's talk about what not to do. Mistake number 1 is shopping before you have a real pre-approval. This is the number 1 mistake. I see it happen all the time. A buyer gets excited, start browsing listings, falls in love with a home, and then they go to get their financing and realize they don't qualify for what they thought. In 2026, the stress test is still in place. That means even if rates at 4%, the bank will qualify you at 6% or higher. A quick online calculator is not enough. You need a proper underwritten pre-approval from a bank before you step into an open house. You need to know your exact number, your monthly carrying costs, and then start shopping, not the other way around. By the way, I'm Ilham Ibrahim, a real estate agent here in Vaughan. I help families navigate the buying and selling with a clear and simple real estate guidance. If you would like some help or you would like to chat about your situation, click the link in the description and I'm more than happy to help you. Or we can grab coffee. Mistake number 2 is forgetting about the closing cost. So many buyers, they save up for the down payment. And then closing day hits, they are scrambling. And here's what people forget. If you are buying inside the city of Toronto, you will be paying 2 land transfer tax, 1 provincial and 1 municipal. Even with the first-time buyer rebate, this still can add thousands of dollars on the closing day. On top of that, you have legal fees, title insurance, and a property tax adjustment. My rule of thumb, budget 1.5% to 4% of your purchase price in cash for the closing. Let's say you are buying $900,000 home. You need to budget up to $36,000 for the closing, on top of your down payment. So plan for it. Mistake number 3 is letting emotions drive the offer. I understand it completely. You walk into a home, you picture your life there, and all of a sudden you are willing to do anything to get it. If you overbid on emotion and the bank's praiser comes in lower, the bank will not cover that difference. You paid out of your pocket. Always base your offer on the data. What a similar home was sold for in the last 30 or 60 days. That's your anchor. A good agent will keep you grounded and it will tell you when to walk away. Walking away from the wrong home is not losing. It's protecting yourself. Mistake number 4 is giving the seller too much time on your offer. This one is very technical, but it matters. When you make an offer, there's something called a revocable period. It's the deadline that the seller has to respond to your offer before it expires. I see many buyers make that irrevocable period too long, 24 to 48 hours. What that does, it gives the listing agent to find other buyers to create competition, and it turns what was a quiet negotiation into a bidding situation. My advice to you is to keep your irrevocable period short. A few hours is usually enough, and your agent will guide you on the right window for each specific situation. Mistake number 5 is waiting for the perfect moment. I save this one for last because it's the most common mindset trap. Buyers keep telling me, I'm waiting for rates to drop more. I'm waiting for prices to fall further. I'm waiting for more certainty. I understand that feeling. But here's the reality. The market right now has 30% more sales in March than it was in February. Buyer activity is picking up, and inventory is starting to tighten. The buyers who wait for the perfect moment often miss the best moment. So if you are financially ready, you find the right property at the right price, that is your moment. So how to buy smart in this market? So here's your simple action plan for a first-time buyer right now. Step 1, get a real pre-approval from a bank, not a calculator estimate. Step 2, sit down with your agent and map out the full closing cost before you make an offer. Step 3, define your maximum price based on sold data, not on how much you love the home. Step 4, stay active. The buyers who are winning right now, the ones who are prepared and moving decisively. The market is not going to wait forever. Buying your first home is one of the biggest financial decisions in your life. And in this market, the right guidance makes all the difference. In fact, I have a free buyer guide that will walk you through every single step in details. The link in the description. And if you want to talk about your specific situation, I'm always happy to connect. Drop a comment below, or you can reach out to me directly. And if you find this video helpful, I would highly appreciate it if you share it with someone who is going through the buying process for the first time. They need to see this. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.